You won't believe how deadly these birds really are. Number 1. Shoebill stork. With a beak shaped like a shoe and a stare that could kill, the shoebill waits silently for hours. Then, snap. It crushes prey like fish, frogs, and even baby crocs in one powerful strike. Number 2. Secretary bird. This bird doesn't do paperwork. It stomps snakes to death. It kicks so hard it can break bones, even killing cobras with lightning-fast strikes. Nature's most stylish assassin. Number 3. Peregrine falcon. Don't blink. This is the fastest animal on Earth. It dives at 240 miles per hour to smash into prey midair. That speed, combined with razor-sharp talons, makes it a sky missile with feathers. So next time you spot a bird that looks elegant, remember, beauty can be lethal in the wild.